sliders. So for the ingredients, we have Worcestershire sauce, butter, Dijon mustard, brown sugar, light or dark, regular ketchup, minced garlic, salt, black pepper, cheese, 1 onion, chili powder, and your Hawaiian rolls, and your 1 pound or more of hamburger meat. All right, well, first thing we're gonna do is cook the meat and the onions together. All right, guys, so we have our hamburger meat in. We're gonna put our diced onions in. And then you're gonna season it with your salt and pepper. I'm gonna season it to taste with the salt and pepper. Now I'm gonna season this, cook it, and probably add a little bit more. The reason why we're doing the onions with the hamburger meat is so the onions can cook down and flavor the meat. Alright guys, so while the meat is thickening, we're going to make our glaze. So you want to melt your butter in 15-second intervals. And then we have our Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, and brown sugar. And we're just going to add that to the melted butter. And we're gonna mix it. You wanna make sure it gets all mixed in together. If you wanna add some sesame seeds in there, you're more than welcome to. All right, now we're gonna set this aside until the meat is done cooking and we make our sliders. All right guys, so now we're going to put our bread in our pan with the cheese on it. We're going to open up the bread. Sometimes these rolls come cut, sometimes they don't. If not, you just cut them in half. Alright, so I'm going to take one. These aren't cut yet, so I'm going to just cut it in half. And then I'm going to put the bottom layer of each bread on the pan. I'm going to keep the top layer in the bread pan. I'm going to do this for all of my Hawaiian rolls. Alright guys, so we have our bottom halves and our top halves. So what we're going to do with our bottom halves is we're going to put cheese, shredded cheese, any flavor you like, cheddar, mozzarella. And we're gonna just place it all over the bottom of these Hawaiian rolls. If you like it cheesy, just add as ever much cheese you want. All right, now we're going to add our meat. We're gonna put it all over, just like the cheese. Alright, so we're just going to spread it over. That way it covers it like sloppy joes. And then we're going to add cheese on the top of the meat. Alright, and we're going to add our tops. Make sure you remember how many you put in a row so you know how many tops to put. Alright, space these out. Now we're going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Here we go. And we're going to turn our oven on 375. Alright, we'll be back in 20 minutes. Alright guys, so I took the sliders out about halfway through and we're going to put our glaze on. I'm just going to do this to all of them and put them back in for 10 minutes. Alright guys, here is our Sloppy Joe sliders. Look at that golden brown on top. Now we're going to see how cheesy it is. Look at that. And we're going to cut these apart. There you go. Alright guys, well if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and my social medias down below. Thank you.